So hello all, in this video we will learn about how to convert binary form into decimal form. This is applied maths encryption decryption topic of unit 1. So in the previous video we have talked about how to convert decimal form into binary form. So in this video we will talk about how to convert binary form into decimal. So if a binary expression is given as like in exercise 1b, convert the following numbers into decimals. So exercise 1b applied maths class 11th book, question number 2nd, A part, 1001. So this is very easy. There is nothing to worry about. Very easy topic. Just start writing, numbering it 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Write down 2, 2, 2, 2. Or simply you can, what you can do? Simply you can just write 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 in ascending order. In this way, right? 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 0, now multiply both the digits and add. So 2 raised to the power 0 multiply by 1 plus 2 raised to the power 1 multiply by 0 plus 2 raised to the power 2 multiply by 0 plus 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply any number is 0, 0 multiply any number is 0. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, 8 multiply 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So 1001 in decimal form can be written as 9. This outside the bracket, if 10 is written, that means decimal form we are talking about. So which is 9. So answer of second A part is 9. Next 11011 B part is same process. 2 raised to the power 0 multiply 1 plus 2 raised to the power 1 multiply 1. Same. Where is that red marker? Okay. Simply write 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4. And then multiply and add. So 2 raised to the power 0 multiply 1, 2 raised to the power 1 multiply 1, 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 multiply by 0 plus 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 1 plus 2 raised to the power 4 multiply by 1. So this is what we have done. Now add the values. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 plus 4 multiply 0 is 0, 8 multiply by 1 plus 16 multiply by 1. 16 multiply by 1 is 1, 8 multiply by 1 is 8, 16 multiply by 1 is 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27. So answer is 27. So we can say 11011 in binary form, in decimal form can be written as 27. So this is our answer. So very easily we have done it. So okay, the answer is 25. So that means somewhere we have mistaken. 16 plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27. 1, 2, 0, 8. Okay, this is 11001. The question is 11001. So 11001 means this will be 0. So this means this is 0. So this will be 25. Right? 11001 which will be 25. So this is the answer. Just pause the video and note down. So next parts of the same conversion of binary form into decimal form. So in this what we have to do, just 1 second, let me fix it. So now 1100011. So very easy part it is. just simply 2 raised power 0 go in this way. So 2 raised power 0 multiply 1 plus 2 raised power 1 multiply 1 plus 2 raised power 2 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 3 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 4 multiply 1. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 16. 16 plus 2 plus 1 is 19. So this is the conversion, right? So easy it is. Next we have, so this is the answer. Next 1 0 0 1 0 0, again same process. 2 raised power 0 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 1 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 2 multiply 1, 2 raised power 3 multiply 0, 2 raised power 4 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 5 multiply by 1. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 10. So this can be written as 36. क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? 36. Next, just pause the video and do it yourself. Okay, so now let's do it. 2 raised power 0 multiply 1 plus 2 raised power 1 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 2 multiply 0 plus 2 raised power 3 multiply by 0 plus 2 raised power 4 multiply 1. So 1 plus 16 is 17. So in binary, in decimal form, this can be written as 17. Let us check the answers. 17, 36 and then 19. Correct. Now let us talk about let us know how to add binary numbers, right? So let me just rub it. Now let us talk about how to add two binary numbers, how to add two binary digits. So there are some rules. So here I have written 0 plus 0 कितना होगा? 0. अगर 0 plus 0 आता है बाइनरी, तो बाइनरी नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? 0 and 1, राइट? हमने पिछले वीडियो में बात करी थी. तो 0 plus 0 कितना होता है? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, we all know, but it is in decimal form. But here in binary form, it will be 1 0, where this 1 will be carried over the next digit. इसको हमको कैरी लेना है 1 को, और 1 plus 1 को क्या लिखना है? 10. 1 0, 10 भी नहीं बोलेंगे इसको. 1 plus 1 is 1 0, राइट? देखते हैं, समझते हैं इन रूल्स को. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दीज रूल्स एंड यूज दीज रूल्स टू ऐड दीज फॉलोइंग बाइनरी नंबर्स. सिंपली 0 plus 0, rule number 1 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, now 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 we will write here and 1 we will carry forward, right? Again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 we will write here and 1 we will carry forward. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the answer of this. Let us see if it is correct. So 1 4 times 0, this is absolutely correct. Next, so कितना easy था, जहाँ पे भी 1 plus 1 बने उसको 10 लिखना है, 0 लिख के 1 को कैरी करना है ऊपर. Let's do this. It is very easy. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1, जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है वहाँ 0 लिख सकते हैं. तो 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So answer is 4 times 1. Again same. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is again 1. Using those rules. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is again 1. तो तीनों का आंसर क्या है? सेम आया है. 1 1 1. Okay, absolutely correct. So this is how we can add two binary digits, two binary numbers. Let us now learn how to subtract two binary numbers, right? Now this is the subtraction process. So subtraction has some different rules. I'll tell you with the help of these questions only. So answer should be in 0 and 1 form, right? So 0 minus 0 is, obviously we all know 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we cannot subtract 1 from 0. 1 is greater than 0, so we cannot subtract. So we need to carry. So we need to borrow something, right? So if we want to borrow something, so here we don't have any digit, here also we don't have any digit, so we have to borrow 1 from this. So once we'll put a cross, it will become 0, and we have borrowed, this 0 has borrowed this 1, right? So just write down it 2. काट के क्या लिखना है 2. जब भी 1 कैरी लेंगे तो हमको 0 के ऊपर काट के क्या लिखना है 2 हमेशा. सेम नाउ दिस 0 नीड्स सम डिजिट, बिकॉज बोरो किसको करना है, इसको अल्टीमेटली. तो इसको काट के क्या लिखेंगे 1, एंड हेयर वी हैव 2. वापस 0 को काट के क्या लिखना है 2. फिर वापस हमको क्या चाहिए, इधर चाहिए मेन, तो इसको काट के क्या लिखा है इसने, इसको दे दिया, और यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 2. 2 माइनस 1 कितना हो गया 1. 1 माइनस 0 इज 1. 1 माइनस 0 इज 1. तो ये हमारा आंसर है. क्या करना है, जहां से भी हमने स्ट्राइक किया है, 1 को स्ट्राइक किया है तो ऊपर लिखेंगे 0, 0 को स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर लिखेंगे 2. बस ये याद रखो. 1 को स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर लिखेंगे 0, और 0 को स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर लिखना है 2. बाकी सब कुछ अपने आप हो जाएगा. इधर देखते हैं. 0 माइनस 0 इज 0. 0 माइनस 0 इज 0. वापस 0 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता, तो क्या करना है, कैरी बोरो लेना पड़ेगा, बोरो करना पड़ेगा. सो इसने इसको दिया तो इधर से 0 बन गया, और 0 ने क्या, 0 की जगह क्या बना 2, क्योंकि इस पे क्या है ये बोरो, इसने कैरी ली है, इसने बोरो किया है एक डिजिट को. सो अल्टीमेटली दिस 0 नीड सम वैल्यू, सो 1, it will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 0 is 1, and this ultimately 0. So this is the answer. Next, 1 minus 1 is 0, then 1, then 0 0 1 1. Simple. Next, 1 1. Now here this 0 needs some value. तो कहाँ से लेगा, इस वाले 1 से लेगा, क्योंकि इधर तो 0 के पास कुछ है ही नहीं. तो क्रॉस इट एंड पुट 0 ओवर हेयर. नाउ दिस विल बिकम 2. दिस 0 नीड्स सम वैल्यू, सो क्रॉस इट 1. दिस विल बिकम 2. 2 माइनस 1 इज 1. 1 माइनस 1 इज 0, एंड दिस इज 0, एंड दिस इज 1. सिंपल आंसर. सो दीज आर 4 पार्ट्स विच वी हैव डन. लेट अस चेक द आंसर्स. सो द आंसर ऑफ 4th A part, 5 times 1 and 0, then 2 times 1 and 2 times 0, then 1 1 0 0 1 0, then 1 0 0 1 1 1. So absolutely correct. So this is how we have done the subtraction. So in the question number 5, both subtraction and addition we have to do. So I am giving you this as a homework. So just try it. In any case, like if you find any sort of problem, you can ask me. So exactly same questions, just addition and subtraction of binary numbers are there. Next is question number 6. What is the algorithm to convert a decimal number into binary? So to convert a decimal number into binary, the algorithm is shown on your screen, so you can just note down. Next, what is the algorithm to convert binary number into decimal? Same. To convert binary number into decimal, the same algorithm, the algorithm for the same is shown on your screen. So just pause the video and note down. So that's all for this video. In this video we have completed this exercise 1B. So it was encryption, based on encryption and decryption. So thank you all for watching it.